Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Something wa woman ya on that screen is I hope say obia enime no e wo Facebook. Na okasa de ma NDC amayoko no o say oman penida da John Dramani Mahama e ne bra. Enti by hook or crook no e 2024 elections e ya de winning. Ansa on tiase because NPP amayoko no na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo omo membu no aye flop zibibia nkoso wo memo na de no de ensem bia betudwa na namso na Ghana fo omo adinatem yenso omo akomo adwen ache no omo adinatem omo ekyerese sebio omo oyoba commentators no omo ekyerese oyoba no omo ebunipa but omo nim se sebio wajimisa na agenti Ghana for eka sayi na ne se samse wa e de video bi eto ne Facebook page na all Ghana hankasa no politics na your style bi because NDC ye bi NPP ye bi ntia bansa na ho bi a wo kan e de afa samse wa e kire se eye Uganda minister bi ne bodyguard e shoot no anase we kuno na sa video no ebeto internet no so na samse wako pick sa video no beto ni Facebook page a o ma comment fa ho a wo kire se ne ebi esi wo Uganda no eye His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ghana yem president ne bodyguard on so ni team na on fembo ban na papa no enwo oh really me ye NPP ni na me ye NDC ni but at least me to man ni mu bi enye kra no tisi yenya light youth ni bidi ya adwuma amu ensa komo no omo yo bi operation a onwu enye napko eba e no youth ni bi koye adwuma omo je pay ebia 1 or 2 3 4 bi but Ghana ha no me na impenifu na ye hu omo adwen mu de bibi ba e se mu de akiri na ade na ejina na youth ni ho to omo but ya na apaska impenifu wo de wo beto ano ne se impenifu na wo bedi Ghana fu impenifu de nyame to betua mo nka no e bi mbai e no wo de she president na na do ni adwen papa nkoba na mfa napko mba se youth ni adwuma ye but impenifu wo de da sika ne ba ko mbetena so enye krano enye krano na na do we yi akwanya me ankasa me de mani ehu bi of course o man pede da John Dramani Mahama be yi akwan be sisi schools be interchange. But here in Kasa His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo bias all your infrastructure bia he has done something. But in Yama Kitinkiti bia Ghana for ye here ye ho beton ye bit say light is so of course challenges be almost fixing na dia the enemies are fixing no say do so na able but enye te say o man penda da John Dramani Mahama but o man penda da John Dramani Mahama na breso Dumson yakaka NDC for so no solve Dumson enti mo na mo solve Dumson sa question maybe say but NDC for mo ntimi nya no bi so mo a mo na mo solve Dumson but abo man pende da John Dramani Mahama etiso president have 4 years Dumson sa 4 years na ye complaining no o man pende da John Dramani Mahama ntimi entie ye nsufre hu Ghana fo mobo say Ghana coastal funjuba say company be collapse wo Ghana because of Dumson ntie Samuna mo solve ya at that time na ye breno o man pende da John Dramani Mahama where were you so edu 2016 na ye ba beto aba na that is how politicians no mu hunye they think say Ghana dey was short memory and na yet to aba based on emotions na dia dinti no election time ba bedu a bia ne say kumawu wakwakoye by election ya mo akwakotwa mo kwan sana politicians no mo fire both NPP and NDC sana mo fire nti on pende da John Dramani Mahama o ma ye tena se eda dum so hu amane ano edu 2016 no na o se o solve nti at that time na ye brani na no wante because at that time na elections in so ti wante na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ababe ma light Ghana youth ni enye bi di iti ebi mo hairdressers operations e koso MPP for MPP NDC omo bia fana semenko but we are talking about the yenya so mfaso no samse wa gina wo TV so e wo Facebook say na the bodyguard emfa den niti mbodan no wu no wan penda da John Dramani Mahama obi di niti bodan no wu politicians obi anyo obi anye presenters na journalist ni bi o man penda da John Dramani Mahama o man penda da John Dramani Mahama alternative then and na alternative na scary scary so man penda da John Dramani Mahama na alternative then na scary inti na mo come man penda da John Dramani Mahama embra and na do NPP fail NDC so fail Ghana say NPP fail Ghana NDC so fail Ghana into 2024 yeah to aba because yen pen NPP yen pen NDC enyam na me ko Ghana for no almost NPP fail into NDC mbra NPP fail the NDC so fail yen pen NDC obi amba oman yen pe president e be di so saa anasa mon ton no mon chen oman no mon fo bia de ma no yen fetu kwan something wa o se dey na na do ne body guide enku no yenti ensama something wa kan no kakra
wo Ghana akwa tintinya wodi na nado achi woto so na nado kono wode ne tina boda ne tina soso eno ano wode wonyi su tuo so na wusi so we so ne ti wo hwe na obi eni wono ade ne ti abodam ade ebe chese obetware Ghana ministers awo ma shada so omo di esika eye na sefo body gas no mo trending eno amebeka ye me se Senegal fo the mood of LGBTQ+ and Omanya Kwan Mutu Kwan. Ghana for as a yenye serious so. Sometimes yes, if precaution fails, force must apply. Mwanya, Mubeka Hosa. Mubeka Hosa. Just say you humpa Africa for the moye mema and domoyema. Just a Ghana for the BB and one of the force be you. Ghananese. Mode BB and one of them person moye. Mopesa motina sana mkrofodi musikeja na nkasa. Sana Ghana for more pay. Ghana is when you studio. Where's the say here? Or here Guinea. Or here a president, or here mistake. Or no anybody guard was hey Tenase. A man at Tenase. The same happened to Mali. The same happened to Burkina Faso. Ghana for more trending. Because a bang way out to see Kwasia some sa no woody.
Some way and something wa e de atudwa na Ghana fo bi so do mo reply about we Alan or say and all say where Jimmy pa I am saying it as it is sound of trot on American us where Jimmy pa na I dey respect you but sir uni nyansa ba kumpo ni bi. And I went so Isaac and what I say, you think you are making sense, right? I don't support politics in Ghana, but if some of the names you just mentioned are your family members, would you wish this for them? Okay. And I went so and what I said, don't worry, it shall surely happen in Ghana during NDC tenure. Okay, because I never understand why people have to go on. Okay. And I went so Kwame Frimpong and what I said then this thing must happen in the Mahomet's time. Okay. And I went so James and what I said so it was wrong for John Dramani Mahama to send his kids abroad. Okay. And I went say Theophilus and what I said but this is somebody's mother. God have mercy. Okay, and I went so buahin and what I say. Why don't you come and take action? And I went so callings and what I say. Kwasia ba. People work for 3 years, but your Mahama paid them for only 3 months. Did we kill Mahama? Kwasia ke kakwa. And I went so buatin and what I say. Ode, I don't know when you talk sense. Just say comment ni na ohwa obi ana ni youth no one was Ghana from Penifra de omo ye ne ni je ho ana say pe but at least there are some comments bia na mo ende se fo yam na ne na some mo se Brian Champ na comment bi nti mo se honorable Brian Champ se Ghana embutu nti mo nti ase na de wuke ne eyeden enye violence nti ensem we na Ghana for e de ama something wa